really older guys, like maybe 10 years older than me. I sneaked into a hotel and I did it in a ballroom where I was not allowed to be, and there were cameras. Touches my neck and goes down my thigh. I think then I'm gone. That's it. That's it for me. Eye contact with biting your lips. I think that's like a really underrated term. But I'm always leaning towards romantic vibe. I don't want raw vibe. I don't hook up with people. Okay, my body count is 3. Hi, my name is Khushi और आज मैं कर रही हूँ Blue Balls Challenge. ये चैलेंज मैंने पहले भी देखा हुआ है और इसके क्वेश्चंस थोड़े ज़्यादा ही स्पाइसी है. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the first question is what ruins the moment instantly? I think somebody who has a bad breath ruins the moment for me. Most intimate compliment. That I smell really good. Most irresistible trait in someone. I think really huge arms with really huge hands. If you know, you know. नहीं लेना मुझे. One thing I can't resist. I think somebody touches my neck and goes down my thigh. I think then I'm gone. That's it. That's it for me. One thing that always makes you start. Neck kisses. Neck kisses always makes me start. First thing you notice in private moments. I think if somebody is more into giving or taking, I think that's what really matters for me. I think it's supposed to be equal. My body count. Can I say 0, please? Okay, it's 3. Sorry, mother. Safe word. Bubblegum. I think it's cute and it's also a nice flavor. So, bubblegum. Bedroom green flag. Somebody who is more interested in giving me pleasure than just getting pleasure themselves. That's a green flag. Biggest secret desire, I think I want to do it like in a jungle, in a wooden house where there's nobody and I know there's like animals around and there's like, we're scared, but like I want to do it there. And I want to do it where I'm not supposed to do it. Like maybe in public where I could get caught, but that kind of gives me the spark. Fantasy. I think my fantasy is to do it in a plane. I want to be a part of Mile High Club. Secret turn on. I don't know, PDA is a turn on for me. If people hate it, I get it, but it's secretly a turn on for me. Tease or temptation? I think tease is fun because मुझे रुकना पड़ रहा है and there is this spark and there's this chemistry and you have to wait and waiting is what makes it like fun. Lights on or off? I think dim lights. I don't want the lights to be completely off. I don't want bright lights either. It makes no sense. But I want to see something. So, dim lights. Morning intimate or late night heat? I think dono. Late night is nice when you come after a party, you're drunk, and morning is nice when you're with your partner cuddling and you'll wake up together. So it really depends. Also both. Underrated turn on. I think eye contact is like very underrated, but eye contact with biting your lips, I think that's like a really underrated turn on for me. Foreplay or action? Is this even a question? I mean, you can't directly go into action unless it's a quickie, but foreplay is the main thing, dude. You can't skip that. Dominate or submissive? Mostly I want to be submissive, but sometimes I would also like to dominate. Fetish. I think big hands, again, big arms, veins, yeah. Lead or be led? Both. I want to be led, I also want to lead sometimes to it. Like, I can't pick. I want both. Raw vibe or romantic vibe? Really depends. If I'm just hooking up with somebody, maybe then it's a raw vibe. If I really like somebody and I want more, then it's more towards romantic vibe. But I'm always leaning towards romantic vibe. I don't want raw vibe. I don't hook up with people. Okay, my body count is 3. Slow kiss or sudden pull? I want to say both again. It really depends. If I'm like kissing somebody for the first time, if I've been resisting and there's like this chemistry between us, then I would probably want a sudden pull. But if I'm like with somebody since a long time, I think slow kisses would do it. So both. Mood killer. Again, somebody who doesn't know how to do stuff, somebody who doesn't know how to kiss is instantly a no-no. I can't. Okay. Wildest story, I think would be I have done it. I sneaked into a hotel and I did it in a ballroom where I was not allowed to be and there were cameras. Oops. This is true though, I don't lie. Boldest story, I have done it in a theatre as well. Why do I do it in public? I don't know. It's a turn on for me. Guilty pleasure. I like really older guys. Like maybe 10 years older than me. Something like that. In their mid-30s. Soft touch or bold move? I think soft touch क्योंकि it builds the chemistry and you're resisting it, but it's like kind of there. It's softly happening. So soft touch. Favorite position? I like to be on top. Because it's nice to be in control. I like being in control, guys. I hope आपको मजा आया मेरा blue balls challenge देख के. Keep watching Splitsvilla 16. Bye.